this week's topic is all about task cards. They're one of my favorite things, so I need to share them with you, seriously. Task cards are one of my new absolute favorite things to have in the classroom. You can find them seriously on any topic, and I promise you that you will love them and your students will love them too. They are perfect for all types of learners and amazing for independent work. Perfect for IEP goals as well. So what are task cards? Task cards are typically like a picture size, like a 4x6 printed activities that your students need to select or show an answer to check their understanding. So students can use these with clothespins, mini erasers, beads, dry erase markers, or pens to circle and mark their answer. I've even modified for my students to use maybe a bingo marker to select their answer. Task cards are great for independent work centers, work tasks, and for your students to complete during class time. This helps you and your students review any of those skills, and then it also can be used for fact fluency. It's perfect for teaching new skills or showing the students' understanding. So, how do I prep them? Let's go through the whole thing of the supplies that you will need. You need a Scotch thermal laminator, of course if you laminate at home, or maybe you want to use the school laminator. You need laminating pouches, again, only if you laminate at home. A photo keeper, scissors, and then once you have all of the materials prepped, I usually print out my task cards, and then I take each sheet of paper and put it inside the laminating pouch. Each laminating pouch goes through my Scotch thermal laminator, of course. And I always laminate so that the activity can be used multiple times, multiple years, and with multiple different students. So, and then once it's all laminated, I cut each card out so that there's 4 individual cards, or those 4 different questions, and I put from one sheet of paper. You put all of the task cards in a pile and put it inside the photo keeper for a quick grab and clean storage, of course. So what do I do with my task cards? You can do them in whole group. You can do them in small group instruction, one-on-one sessions, independent work, pre-teaching, reteaching, assessment, IEP goals, leisure and recreation, and seriously, so much more. So if you want to get your own task cards, you make sure to check out the bundle on my TPT store of 50 or more task card set, but you can also buy the individual sets there too. And if you want to know what the photo keeper is that I'm talking about, I actually have a couple behind me. Those are the photo keepers that you can put your task cards in. So you can find those at like Michael's or a Joann's or any other craft store. So I hope that helps. Thank you for watching today's video. If you're new here, make sure to click that like and subscribe button. It would mean so much to me. Click the bell to get notifications for when new videos get released or I go live. As always, leave a comment if you have any questions.